The keto diet's possible role in disease prevention and treatment. Besides weight loss, the keto diet may play a role in treatment or prevention of diseases other than epilepsy, including metabolic syndrome. Limited research, including a study published in November 2017 in the journal Diabetes and Metabolic Syndrome, Clinical Research and Reviews, has suggested that adults with metabolic disease following keto shed more weight and body fat compared with those on a standard American diet, which is heavy in processed food and added sugars. 6. Type 2 diabetes. Research published in September 2016 in the Journal of Obesity and Eating Disorders suggested the diet could help people with type 2 diabetes and can lead to improvements in HbA1c levels, though be warned, it can also lead to hypoglycemia, that's low blood sugar levels, if you take medication to lower your blood sugar. 7. Bipolar disorder. In people with type 2 bipolar disorder, keto may be a mood stabilizer, and one early study, published in October 2012 in the journal Neurocase, suggested the plan may be even more effective than medication. 8. Obesity. Compared with those on a typical low-calorie diet, obese individuals on a very low-calorie ketogenic diet lost more weight and inflammatory visceral belly fat in one study, published in December 2016 in the journal Endocrine. 9. It may also help preserve lean body mass during weight loss, according to an article published in February 2018 in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism. 10. Dementia and Alzheimer's disease. A small study published in February 2013 in the journal Neurobiology of Aging found that older higher-risk adults on a keto diet experienced better memory functioning after just 6 weeks. 11. Some experts, like Richard Isaacson, MD, director of the Alzheimer's Prevention Clinic at Weill Cornell Medicine and New York Presbyterian in New York City, support low-carb diets for patients as one way to delay brain aging and possibly Alzheimer's disease, the most common form of dementia. Parkinson's disease. Because these patients are at a higher risk for dementia, researchers like Robert Krikorian, Ph.D., professor of clinical psychiatry and the director of the Division of Psychology at the University of Cincinnati College of Medicine in Ohio, are studying how inducing nutritional ketosis may be used to preserve cognitive functioning. Certain cancers. Keto may be used in combination with chemotherapy and radiation, some studies have suggested, including one published in November 2018 in the journal Oncology. 12. But ultimately more studies are needed to determine if keto can play a role in cancer therapy, and patients should not use it as a standalone treatment or without a doctor's consent. Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). Because women with the infertility condition PCOS are at a greater risk for diabetes and obesity, some clinicians recommend the keto diet, says Taylor Morey, Road, LD, of Balance Fitness and Nutrition in Atlanta. But PCOS is no different from most health conditions mentioned here. Long-term research on the safety is needed.